Tracy Colors on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this segment, I'll show you how to dress an abrasion at the scene of where it happens. All you need is to first put on your gloves to keep away from any body fluids. Just go ahead and straighten your knee out a little bit, hon. Usually have a water bottle around, so cleanse it with a little bit of water. Dry it with a sterile gauze dressing. Put a little bit of triple antibiotic ointment on it to keep the germs away. And I recommend a non-adherent pad. And that will be easier to take off when it's time. Just going to put this one right over top of her jeans. This is called a picture frame dressing. And that's how you take care of an abrasion at the scene.